What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about routine oil changes. Why is it routine oil changes? Because if you don't get a routine oil change on your car, you could mess up the engine, or gunk can wind up building up in the engine and with the pistons and all of that stuff, so it'd be dirty. If you don't change the oil, it'd be dirty, all of that stuff. It's crazy. I think, I always do a routine oil change on my car because of the fact that, you don't want to mess up your car. And you look at your car like an investment. You know what I'm saying? You're investing in your car because it gives you A to B, or B to C, or C to D. You know what I'm saying? However you want to call it. But so it's an investment that you make into your car. And so instead of you messing up the engine, or messing up the emissions on the car, or messing up the it's a lot of components like goes into it and stuff like that. So I remember when I first used to when I never got an oil change in my Dodge Neon, man, like you can tell the difference between me getting the oil change in my Dodge Neon from me getting the oil change. Like see, when I first got a car, I never put oil. I never changed the oil in my car. I didn't know. Like, all right, I just thought you hop in the car and go. But until I wound up messing up my engine, and deposit and gunk and everything started messing up my engine, and I was like, dang. But I was like, so the next car I got, fast forward, man, there was a lot of cars I got that I didn't do a routine oil change. Fast forward to the Genesis Coupe, I wound up just doing routine maintenance on the car, like an oil change and stuff like that. Because if you change the oil in your car, you have a better life of the car driving longer, and you can get the best MPG mileage, the best performance out your car. However you want to drive your car. If you drive your car for the performance, or you drive your car just for the mileage, or you just drive your car just normal driving your car, and you know what I'm saying, it's, you may just be in high school or college or anything like that, and you don't know about changing your changing the oil. But it's a good decision to change your oil. You got conventional, and like every 3,000 miles. You have like a synthetic blend, it's like 5,000 miles, and then you get that full synthetic, you're looking at like 6,000 or 7,000 miles on your car, so you can go longer. If you get a full synthetic, full synthetic is a little bit more expensive, but you can get a longer mileage off the car and everything like that. And then me personally, I had a high mileage car, so you always hear about the Castor GTX, high mileage and all of that stuff. It's good for your car because it protects the engine. So yeah, I know I probably went over, but it's good. It's a good thing to know about changing the oil. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artist Speed family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing y'all next video.